Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp kabobs. We'll start by selecting the freshest shrimp, ideally large or jumbo, which are perfect for skewering. Then, we'll quickly marinate them to build a fantastic flavor base. Don't forget to soak your wooden skewers for about 30 minutes. This simple step prevents them from charring on the grill. This guide makes preparing delicious kabobs incredibly straightforward and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's assemble those beautiful kabobs. Pick a vibrant array of vegetables such as red bell peppers, sweet onions, and juicy cherry tomatoes. Cut your chosen veggies into roughly 1-inch pieces so they cook evenly alongside the shrimp. Carefully thread the shrimp and vegetables onto your soaked skewers, alternating them. Remember to leave a small space between each piece to ensure thorough cooking and beautiful charring. It's time to cook your delicious shrimp kabobs. If grilling, place them over medium-high heat, cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until the shrimp are perfectly pink and opaque. Alternatively, you can broil them 4 to 6 inches from the heat source for 5 to 7 minutes, turning once. The key is not to overcook the shrimp. They cook very quickly, ensuring they remain tender and juicy. Your fantastic shrimp kabobs are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot off the grill or broiler with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. They pair wonderfully with a side of fluffy rice, a crisp green salad, or even some grilled corn on the cob. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like chopped parsley or cilantro adds a lovely finishing touch. Enjoy your easy, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.